In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to Slack, so updates can flow where your team is already chatting, saving you time and keeping everyone aligned. First, make sure you're signed into the correct ClickUp workspace and you have permission to add integrations. If you're not an admin, your ClickUp or Slack administrator may need to approve the connection. Start on the overview page for your team space or your My Workspace overview. Look for the grid of 9 dots, sometimes labeled as More, near the main navigation. Click that, then choose Apps. This opens ClickUp's integrations area, which is where you'll find and manage connections to tools like Slack. If you don't see apps right away, it may be nested under a More menu or appear in a sidebar depending on your layout, but it's always within that 9 dots menu. Once you're in Apps, use the search bar at the top and type Slack. The directory can be pretty full, so searching is the fastest way to bring the Slack integration to the top. Don't worry about capitalization. The search is flexible. When you see Slack in the results, click it to open the integration details. This page explains what the integration does, such as sending ClickUp notifications to Slack or enabling quick actions from Slack back to ClickUp. It's a great place to confirm you're connecting the right tool and to review what access will be requested. Now, click Connect. You'll be redirected to Slack's secure authorization page. It's normal to be asked to choose which Slack workspace to connect, especially if you're part of more than one. Double check you're selecting the workspace your team uses with this ClickUp space. You'll also see a permission summary outlining what the app can do. Review it, and if everything looks good, proceed with the authorization. If Slack blocks the request or you see a message about approval, that usually means an admin needs to allow the app for your organization. After authorization, you'll return to ClickUp and the Slack integration should show as connected. That's the core setup. If the status doesn't update right away, give the page a quick refresh. Pop-up blockers can sometimes interrupt the flow, so temporarily allow pop-ups if needed. From here, you can explore configuration options to tailor which notifications flow into Slack and how your team interacts with tasks, but the connection itself is complete. You've successfully linked ClickUp and Slack, laying the groundwork for faster updates and smoother collaboration.